Morning children, hope you're all good today. Are you ready for another phonics lesson? Fantastic. Okay, do you have your paper and a pencil ready for later? Put them down for the moment, we don't need them yet. Okay, let's get our phonics brains working. We're going to start saying the alphabet. We're going to say the letter names and we're going to say the sounds that they say. Are you ready? Here we go. A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says I. J says J. K says K. L says L. M says M. N says M. O says O. P says P. Q says Qu. R says S says S. T says T. U says A. V says V. W says W. X says X. Y says Y. Z says Z. Great. Did you do it all? Do you remember all those sounds? Okay, let's move on. We are going to revise all of our phonemes. Okay? And remember, look carefully. Say the sounds that you see. I've mixed them up a bit today. Here we go. X. Show me those tongues. Can be or it can be z. Remember? For thank or z for this. Z. E. A. J. Ow. E. I. V. A. I. Ch. E. W. Qu. Ow. Y. Remember, it can also be E at the end of the word, like happy. U, or it can be oo. Z. Or. A. Sh. R. O. O. Oo, or it can be oi, or. O. Ear. U, or it can be oo. Oi. Air. E. Your. W. U, or it can be oo, or. I. And remember, that's what we were looking at yesterday. Great. Did you remember them all? Did you join in with all of them? Don't worry, you'll get to know all of them if you don't know them now. Fantastic. Okay, so what we're going to do today, something slightly different. Is it or Now remember, we've been looking at both of these digraphs this week. So in your books, what I'd like you to do is draw a line down the middle of your page, and on one side, can you write me the digraph using ER? Could you write me the digraph using UR? Okay, so we want the grapheme one side and the alternative grapheme the other side. Have you done that? Fantastic. Okay, if you want, what you can do is put your sound button underneath each of them. And what sound button are you going to put under there? Brilliant, a sausage, because a digraph is two letters that make one sound. Okay, so I'm going to say a word and we're going to sound talk it back, and then I want you to write it down using the digraph you think is correct. Now if you want, you can write it with both and then cross out the one that you think doesn't look right. Okay? Because we have to learn to have a look and think which looks right. Okay, shall we have a go? Okay. The first word is herb. Herb. Sound talk the word herb. 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 It's got three phonemes. Okay, so can you write it down for me? Herb. Is it using ER or is it using UR? Have a go. Remember, sound button your word once you've finished and sound talk it back to make sure you've written it correctly. Shall we have a look? Herb, or herb. Which one do you think looks right? That's right. It's using our ER grapheme, isn't it? Did you get that one right? Don't worry if you didn't. You can write it in now. Okay, are you ready for the next one? The word is church. Church. Sound talk it to me. Church. It's got three phonemes. Is it using the ER grapheme or the UR grapheme? See if you can write it down. Church. Remember, sound talk it to your paper, it helps, and pop your sound buttons underneath to make sure you've written it correctly. Okay, shall we have a look? Let's sound talk it. Church, or church. Which one do you think is right? Did you think it was this one? Or did you think it was this one? Let's have a look. Were you right? Great. Church is using our UR grapheme. Okay, let's try another one. Lighter. Lighter. Let's sound talk it. Lighter. So it's got four phonemes. But which grapheme is it using? Lighter. See if you can write it down. Like I say, if you want to, write it down in both and decide which one you think looks right. Okay, shall we have a look? Lighter. Lighter. Which one did you think looks right? Do you think it's this one? Let's have a look. Yes, you're right. Well done. Lighter. Okay, let's try another one. Burn. Burn. Sound talk it to me. Not sure I can hear you. Sound talk it again. Burn. Okay, see if you can write it down. Which grapheme is it using? Let's have a look. Burn. Burn. Which one looks right? Let's have a look. Were you right? Burn, using the UR grapheme. Great. Okay, let's do another one. Slurp. Slurp. Let's sound talk it. Slurp. Let's sound talk it again. You do it this time. Okay. Which one is it using? Slurp. Do we need the ER or the UR? Remember, keep sound talking it to your paper, sound button it to check it. Let's have a look. Slurp, 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 slurp. Which one do you think looks right? Do you think it's this one? Or do you think it's this one? Should we have a look? Yes, it's using the UR grapheme. Well done if you got it right. Don't worry if you didn't. Write it down now. Remember, pop your sound buttons underneath to help you. Okay, we're going to try one more. Are you listening carefully? Here we go. Thunder, thunder. Sound toolkit. Thunder. It's got 5 phonemes. And that first one, remember, I need to see your tongue. Thunder. Let's sound toolkit again. Thunder. See if you can write it down using the correct grapheme. Thunder. Sound toolkit to your paper. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. Sound toolkit with me. Thunder. Let's look at the other one. Thunder. Which one do you think looks right? Is it this one? Or is it this one? You think it's this one? Let's have a check. Yes, you're right. Well done. Hopefully you got all of those right. But if you didn't, it's not a problem. You can just look at them now. And remember, the more you read, the more you will see words like this, and you'll remember the correct spelling. Okay, are you ready to move on? Let's go. Oh, okay. Is it a real or alien word? Okay, I'm going to show you a word. Okay, we need to sound talk that word, and then we need to decide whether it's a real word or it's an alien word. And remember, our alien words are pretend words. They don't make any sense, do they? Okay, should we have a look at the first one? Are you ready to sound talk? Here goes. Hurt. Is it a real word or is it an alien word? A real word, you think? Let's have a look. You're right. Well done. Are you ready for the next one? Let's have a look. Let's sound talk it. Quirt. Is quirt a real word or is it an alien word? You think it's an alien word? Let's have a look. Think you might be right. Well done. You ready? Let's sound talk it. Stirp. You sound talk it now. Is it real or is it an alien word? Let's see if you're right. Were you right? Great. Let's look at the next one. Are you ready to sound talk it? Summer. Summer. Where do you think it should go? Let's have a look. Did you get that one right? Fantastic. Okay, are you ready for the next one? Let's go. Shorter. See if you can sound it out on your own. Shorter. Is it real or is it alien? Shout it out. Okay, let's see if you're all right. Did you get that one? Great. Let's do the next one. Ready? X, plurks. You sound talk it now. Okay. Shout out. Real, alien. Which one? Let's see. Did you get it right? Okay, let's move on. Oh, let's sound talk this one together. A. Thursday. Let's sound talk it again, but let's break it up. Thursday. Day. Thursday. Thursday. Did you get that? Okay, is it real or is it alien? Let's have a look, see if you're right. It's a real word. It's one of our days of the week, isn't it? Well done. Let's have a look. Sound toolkit. Chirp. See if you can do it on your own. Okay. Shout it out. Real or alien? Let's have a look. I think you might be right. Well done. Let's see if there's any more. That's it. Fantastic. Did you get them all right? Wonderful. Okay, let's move on. Okay, we're going to look at some of our high frequency words, okay? Now, they're going to appear on the screen. You're going to say them to me. Some of them might disappear, and they're the ones you need to write down. So do you have your pencil ready? Let's go. Was. Can you write it down? Was. Let's see if you got it right. Did you get it right? Well done. Let's have a look at the next one. She. Oh, write it down. Let's see if you got it right. Give it a tick if you did. Let's look at the next one. Oh, they. Well done. Oh, see if you can write that one down. They. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Did you get it right? If you didn't, write it down now. Copy it for me. Okay, you ready for the next one? Down. Well done. Not. See. Got. Then. Remember, show me those teeth, that tongue. Then. It's disappeared. Can you write me the word then? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Should we have a look? See if you got it right. Give it a tick if you did. Great. Let's ready for our next one? You. It's disappeared. Can you write me the word you? Have a go if you're not sure. Let's see if you got it right. There we go. If you didn't get it right, write it down now. Have a copy. Are you ready for the next one? Me. That. Oh, that has disappeared. Can you write me the word that? Remember, you're using your tongues to say it. That. So what digraph goes at the beginning? Should we have a look, see if you got it right? Well done. Oh. Will. On. To. Be. This. This has disappeared. Can you write me the word this? This. me have a look. Here it comes. This. Give it a tick. His. But. Well done. Look at you. Great job. You've all worked really, really hard again today. Well done. Give yourselves another pat on the back. Fantastic. Enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, don't forget, go out and do some exercise. Work hard on your other lessons and carry on, remember, being the best that you can be. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.